To document a plumbing job properly with photos, you need to take clear pictures before you start, during the repair, and after you finish, making sure to capture serial numbers, pipe connections, and any damage so you have proof of the original condition and the quality of your finished work. Think of it like taking a photo diary of everything you touch. Before you even pick up a wrench, snap a wide shot of the whole area so you can show what it looked like when you arrived. This protects you if the homeowner claims something was damaged by you later. Then, take close-up shots of any leaks, rust, or broken parts you find, almost like you're a detective collecting evidence. While you're working, photograph each major step, especially anything that gets covered up later, like pipes inside a wall or under a floor, because once it's sealed up, nobody can see your work anymore. A trick most people don't know is to hold a piece of paper with the date and job number written on it in the photo. This creates a natural timestamp that can't be questioned later if there's ever a dispute. Finally, take clean, well-lit photos of the finished job from multiple angles so the customer can see exactly what they paid for. One common mistake is only taking photos after the job is done, which leaves you with no proof of the original problem, so always start snapping before you touch anything. Another mistake is taking blurry or poorly lit pictures that don't clearly show the issue, so take a few extra seconds to make sure the lighting is good and the camera is focused before moving on. A lot of people also forget to photograph brand names and model numbers on parts they replace, and this small detail can save you a huge headache later if there's a warranty question or a part recall. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.